guys, today I showed you how to do this look. I'm just going out dancing with my friends, so I wanted to film this and show you how I do something a little simple but still glamorous. I wanted to wear lots of makeup tonight, so I was doing mostly base, but there's still some eyes in there too. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Okay, so going in with the Louise Base on the eyes, we're going to use the Orgy palette. We're using the colors I'm Shy, Safe Sex, Versatile, I'm Close, and Glory Hole. We'll be using I'm Shy on the lid, Safe Sex and Versatile in the crease, I'm Close on the outer corner, and Glory Hole we will be using to blend that eyeliner out. I wanted something really soft, really effortless, but still glamorous. Like, I wanted to look pretty, and like I was wearing a lot of makeup because I wanted to be mugged up, but I didn't want it to be like drag, you feel me? So just lots of soft blending and making sure that everything is fused together. And it's honestly really easy. For the lid, I just used I'm Shy, and then I went in with the Wet n Wild Hello Kitty Be Kind Eye and Face palette, and I used the color number 1 on the inner corner, and that was just to give a little bit of a sheen. I find if you have highlighter on your face and like a totally matte eye, it can look a bit disconnected, similar to like if you have a totally matte face but you have shimmer on your eye, it can look disconnected. So that's why I like to do that. And then I used that I'm Close color just on the outer corner to further darken that up. And I used for eyeliner the Tanais Divine Kalo Kajal pencil. I think we got this in an Ipsy bag like 100 years ago. I don't even remember, to be honest with you. Just a black eyeliner. Just use black eyeliner. For eyebrows, just use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Skinny Brow Pencil, just to define the brow a touch. And then we went into then I went into the eyeliner, and I will be blending that out. I'll be putting it on and then smudging it, and then further blending it out with the Glory Hole color from the Orgy palette. Just to give it a nice smoky effect. I wanted it to be soft, so didn't want to use any liquid eyeliner. But did do a touch of blending that out into a wing, but not much at all, honestly. I like this eyeliner for this reason. It's really easy to soften up. I've never heard of the company though, so I don't know if it's like even still around. And then taking some more of that I'm Close color and just blending out that outer corner again. Cleaning it up. And then I will be curling the lashes, and well, I have to fix that apparently. Curling the lashes and then applying the Lancome Lash Idole mascara. And yeah, super simple. Then just chuck on some lashes. And these are just some nice spiky lashes. For face, I'll be going into the Catrice Prime and Fine, and then the Juvia Base I Am Magic Concealer with the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Foundation over top of it, and then I'll be using the Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer, the white one. Now, I did hear that MAC is reformulating their Studio Fix powder. Can someone clarify that for me? Because, like, all bets are off if they are. Just applying that Juvia's Place concealer where I want a bit of added coverage and blending that out, and then I'll be going over it with the True Match Lumi foundation, and I'll just take a brush to spread that all over my face. And then I will use a sponge to stamp it out. I like to spread it all over my face like this because I find that it gives more even coverage, I should say, as opposed to stamping it out with just the brush. I find you get coverage just where you stamped, if that makes sense. That's my opinion, though. You can definitely do whatever you choose. You've got Halo options. And I'm just leaving my under eyes fairly blank. Not totally blank, but fairly blank because I know I'm going to go back in with that white anyway. And I'm just using that brush to kind of blend it up a bit. I love a bright, bright, bright white under eye. Feels so cunty. I'm like, oh, that's enough. But then I'm like, maybe not. And I did apply this on my chin and on my forehead as well, too. And then I will go back in with the Makeup Revolution Ultra Cream Bronzer in the color Light. And I will apply that along the perimeter of my face. And for blush, I got a lot of compliments on my blush. I used the P. Louise Coral Morals Liquid Blush. And after setting everything with powders and loose powders, I used the YSL 57 Make Me Blush Powder Blush. This was sent to me, and I love it. Might be my new fave powder blush. Gotta really make sure when you do that white under eye that you're blending everything nicely. And I think I went back in and added more blush after as well too, because I was just really feeling it, apparently. And I knew I was wearing a wig as well too, so I wanted to make sure that it was nice and bronzed around my hairline. Just find it easier to blend with the lace when it's like that. And I don't do any stark contouring. I just do it along the perimeter of my face. And then, yes, apply a little more blush. The P. Louise liquid blushes are so nice. I love them. I'm so happy I have some of them. I use them like every time I do my makeup, basically, so. I just had to fix that. Do you see that Hello Kitty, the pink one? Its head's like totally down. I just had to fix that. Have to raise her up. Can't even see her mug. So needless to say, I'm going through with the MAC Studio Fix powder, and I am setting the face with my regular skin color, and then I'll be using white in the places that I use white, the shivering white color. And then I'm using the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder all over the face, and I will make sure that everything is very, very dry. No tackiness. I hate tackiness on the face. For bronzer, powder bronzer, I'll be using the Marc Jacobs Tan-Tastic Omega Bronze. And I will be using the, like I said, that YSL 57 powder blush. I really just wanted to make sure that it was totally set before I do that, though. I can't stand when, like, I'm wearing something and it gets on my clothes or, you know, anything really. It just irritates the fuck out of me. Dust all that excess off. And then more blush. And I live. I was really living for the blush. And get some of that bronzer up in there. I couldn't find my Lottie London bronzer that I like, so I just used the Marc Jacobs one, which isn't too bad. It's pretty much the same as the Physicians Formula butter bronzer. I believe that's what it's called. Physicians Formula butter bronzer. Yeah, I think so. And using a little bit of Jeffree Star's Sacred Glass highlighter. The color on the left. And for setting powder, or for setting spray, I used the Wedding Proof makeup setting spray by him as well too. The color is Pearly Gates that I used. And then applying some mascara, and I used the Made by Mitchell in the Nude All Smudge No Budge eyeliner on the bottom. For lips, I used the Glam 524 lip liner and the Prada B101 Teopolo soft matte lip color with the Jeffree Star Diet Mannequin Velvet Trap lipstick over top of it, just to lighten it up just a bit. I did make sure I blended in that lip liner, though, because it was significantly darker than the lip colors. But when you blend it in, everything is fairly good. And sprayed that, and then just used my fan to dry the setting spray. I love spraying a lot of setting spray, so. And you're done. Chuck on some hair, you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.